In the video today, I'm going to share with you guys the top 5 free video editing software for Windows, Mac, and Linux. This is all going to be free and easy to download onto your computer. If you like what you see in the video today, please hit subscribe and then join our growing community here on Ben's Guide. In at the number 5 spot is VSDC. This is available for Windows, Mac, and Linux. You've got a completely free account and you also have a paid option. You've got a great list of advanced features in this free software that you'd expect to see on something that's a paid video editor. These features include effects, transitions, lots of different filters, and a really cool masking tool. If you've never used a video editor before, there's going to be a little bit of a learning curve involved, but you can soon get to grips with an extensive range of how-to videos available on the website. Now, VSDC definitely deserves to be in the top 5 of video editing software, and if you like what you've seen so far, you can just jump into the description and download the link that I've provided for this and the rest of the list of software in the video. In at number 4 is TVGD. Available for Windows, Mac, and Linux, this is completely free video editing software which also provides impressive visual FX features. Like all the software in today's countdown, you want to check the system specs to ensure your computer can handle the software before you download it. If you pull the slider here all the way to the left hand side, you can download this completely free, even though there are other options for packages if you want to get them. The actual editing interface is intuitive and clean cut, and with a little bit of practice, you can navigate your way around it quite comfortably, even as a complete beginner. Now, whereas TVGD may not have quite the amount of features as VSDC, it certainly makes up for it in ease of use and functionality, providing you with an enjoyable user experience, in my opinion. If you're a beginner to intermediate, it's a perfect editing software for you, giving you unlimited tracks and transitions, over 400 presets and effects, pro quality video editor, and it's capable of dealing with 4K files. You've also got a great list of tutorials showing you how to get to grips with this software. Shotcut is completely free open source software, which means it gets updated regularly. Available for Windows, Mac, and Linux, this video editor has an impressive range of features, including 4K, ProRes, lots of video effects and transitions, and great audio. I find this video editor to be one of the easiest to pick up in today's list, so you can start editing your footage as a beginner straight away, but they also have tutorials for you to learn from if you need it. You can easily just grab, drag and drop your files into the timeline, easily navigating your way through this with no problems at all. You can resize, cut and edit them simply, adding in transitions just by pulling the files together. I highly recommend this software and think that this will be good for not just beginners but also intermediates as well. InVideo may be a surprise entry in at number 2, but this free and paid video editor is perfect for beginners or content creators looking for an all-in-one solution. The interface is easy to use, you can quickly get to grips with it, and it includes amazing features like over 4,000 pre-made templates ready to edit on the fly. You've also got millions of stock footage, videos, pictures, and music available on the free account to download. This video editor is simple to use, giving you the option to edit both your video and stock video, blending them seamlessly together with professional transitions and the free music. This is a brilliant video editor, which I highly recommend. If you want to produce things for your social media and websites, this is going to be the choice for you. Deservedly taking the top spot in today's list is DaVinci Resolve. This is the king of video editing software. Completely free, it has all the features of most paid video editors and is producing some of Hollywood's finest blockbuster films, if that wasn't enough credibility. It's an all-in-one solution for editing, post-production like no other. Not only is it a professional editor, but also you have the best colour correction tool available to produce motion graphics and visual effects, and also it's able to produce the most realistic film animations. So what's the catch? Well, the catch is there's a big learning curve, so you've got to dedicate lots of time to learn it. But this is amazing software and I highly recommend you check it out if you're serious about video editing. I want to thank you guys for watching the video today. Check out the 5 free best photo editors video here and be sure to hit subscribe to join our community here at Ben's Guide.